Have you ever pondered the thought of a universal disaster? One that could potentially wipe out our entire existence? A chilling question, isn't it? Yet, it's one that scientists and researchers have been contemplating for years. Universal disasters, the great unknown, the ultimate endgame. They come in various forms, each with its own unique destructive power. Imagine an asteroid miles wide, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. A direct impact could trigger global devastation. Or consider a gamma-ray burst, the brightest events in the universe that could sterilize the Earth's surface with its deadly radiation. And then there's the black hole collision, a cosmic event so powerful it could warp space-time itself. These events, while seemingly far-fetched, are backed by scientific research and predictions. They may be improbable, but they are certainly not impossible. The universe is a vast, unpredictable place, full of wonders and dangers alike. Just imagine the entire human race, our history, our achievements, gone in a blink of an eye. The mere possibility may seem remote, but the statistics tell a different story. In the vast cosmos, we're constantly reminded of our fragility. There are thousands of known near-Earth objects, asteroids and comets that have orbits which bring them close to our planet. These cosmic wanderers are more than just scientific curiosities. They bear the potential for catastrophic impact events. It's not a question of if, but when. Let's take a moment to consider the frequency of supernovae in our very own Milky Way. These stellar explosions are not just awe-inspiring spectacles, they are cataclysmic events of unimaginable scale. On average, we witness about 2 to 3 of these celestial fireworks in our galaxy every century. Now that might not seem like a lot, but even one supernova occurring close enough could have devastating effects on our planet. And then there's the chilling yet fascinating phenomenon of gamma-ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in a few seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. Scientists estimate that a gamma-ray burst significantly affects Earth every few 100 million years. It's a long interval, sure, but in the grand scale of cosmic time, it's just around the corner. To truly grasp the severity of these potential disasters, let's delve into the destructive power of these events. The impact of an average-sized near-Earth object could release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. A nearby supernova could strip away our planet's protective ozone layer. A gamma-ray burst directed at Earth, it could trigger a mass extinction event. These statistics are a sobering reminder of our place in the universe. We're tiny, vulnerable, and constantly dancing with cosmic danger. The universe is a place of beauty, but it's also a place of danger. It's a place where the most ordinary day could turn into the most extraordinary event. The numbers are daunting, aren't they? But it's not a hopeless situation. While we cannot stop the universe's natural phenomena, we can certainly prepare ourselves. We can take steps to prevent such cataclysmic events, starting with investing more in space exploration. By venturing further into the cosmos, we can gain a better understanding of these universal disasters and potentially find ways to mitigate their impact. Next, we need to focus on developing technologies that can divert asteroids, one of the most tangible threats to our planet. Imagine a world where we can predict and change the path of an incoming asteroid, thus saving our planet from potential annihilation. And let's not forget about improving our understanding of cosmic events. Each solar flare, each supernova, each celestial event is a learning opportunity, a puzzle piece in understanding the universe's intricate workings. Crucially, this is not a solitary battle. International cooperation is paramount in these efforts. By pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and working together, we can stand a fighting chance. With the right measures, we can buy ourselves time and, who knows, maybe even avert the unthinkable. The future of humanity rests in our hands. We have the power to change the course of our destiny. Each one of us has a role to play, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. It's time to step up and embrace our responsibility. Supporting space research is a crucial step towards understanding and mitigating potential universal disasters. It's not just about funding, but about fostering curiosity, encouraging education, and promoting scientific exploration. Let's raise awareness about the risks we face. Talk about it with your friends, share information on social media, spark conversations that matter. This isn't a distant, abstract danger, but a tangible threat that needs our immediate attention. Let's also get involved in international efforts to protect our planet. Collaborate, innovate, and contribute to strategies that can safeguard our home in the universe. Act now for the sake of our future generations. Remember, every small step counts in this cosmic journey of survival.